Yes, I'm bringing the Sidra KYC update to my viewers. If you have not been able to pass your Sidra KYC, please don't panic. Okay. Last, Sidra team made a post on their Twitter handle was on June 6th. Okay. And looking at this place now, 4 days ago, they tweet. This is a Twitter handle or the X handle. They say we are working on a technical issue and we'll be back soon. That is what they are trying to tell their community. So if you have not passed your Sidra KYC, don't panic about that. Don't worry. It will get to you. Just make sure you use the right documents, apply, okay? Make sure you have queue up. Once you have been able to queue up, because you need to queue up, so once you get your turn, you get verified the same way we did pi. Okay, we have validators that are validating people, okay, on their pi KYC. The same thing goes to Sidra. So we have people like just that are working like validators that are approving our KYC. Okay, yes, my own have been verified. I passed my verification, my Sidra verification. So if you have not passed yours, it's not something to panic about. Okay, and make sure you are not farming Sidra with multiple accounts. Are you getting it? Yes, make sure you are, because if you look at the statement they made in the month of May, they say we have blocked multiple partners from trying to bypass KYC rules, including fake verification and bogus accounts. Scammers are also posing as official partners online. So Sidra is not that kind of airdrop, okay? One can be able to, farm with multiple accounts. They will catch you. You'll be caught, and if they catch you, know the consequence. You end up losing that account. So as far as this ID card and the facial verification is involved, okay, the best thing is farm it with one account, one phone. Don't use multiple accounts to farm Sidra in one phone, okay, so that you will not be penalized, you will not be banned. That is it. So the KYC, as soon as they are done with the technical issue or the maintenance they are doing right now, they will resume KYC verification again. So keep up. This is a very big project. In fact, the price of Cilia, for those of you that have started selling your your Sidra coin, okay, since last year 2024, you might regret it. So just like people that sold their pie, 1,000 pieces of pie, 500 pieces of pie as of 2023, today some of them are regretting it. If they had known, they wouldn't have sold. So you that is selling, you are busy selling your Sidra up and down when the minute has not yet come. It go shock you when minute comes. So when it comes, you might be surprised to see the price of Sidra, how it's gonna skyrocket. Our advice, you don't sell your Sidra now. Learn to hold for a long time. That is how to become a multi-millionaire in Web3, in the crypto industry. So don't sell at peanuts. People that have money, they will accumulate more. Okay, you that have small, hold it tight. The price of Sidra is going to shock the globe. Are you getting it? So that is the update I have. If you love this update I'm just giving out now, don't fail to comment, subscribe, like, and share, so that I'll be able to be, dishing out more information to my viewers. I love you guys. You are the reason why I'm still pushing in this YouTube street. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your night. I have a lovely week ahead. Bye.